I'm sure you all know that Facebook groups are a great way to promote websites, affiliate links, products, pretty much anything. Now, the only problem is Facebook hates spammers. So if you try to promote too often or too quickly, Facebook will stop you posting or they will ban you. And that's why I thought, wouldn't it be great if there was software that would let you auto-post to Facebook groups in a way that wouldn't get you banned? So that's why I created Social Group Infiltrator. Social Group Infiltrator is a WordPress plugin that allows you to auto-post promotional messages to Facebook groups in a safe way so you can be sure you won't get banned. Now let's take a look at the plugin. Now as you can see, you can search through thousands of different Facebook groups. In this case, I've searched for internet marketing and come up with 223 different groups I can post to. I do things in the Forex niche, so if I just have a look for Forex, we can now see 233 different Forex groups. And we can cycle through the pages here, and we can see that there are hundreds of groups we can post on. Now with Social Group Infiltrator, we can auto-post to as many different groups as we want. You can queue up hundreds or even thousands of different messages to be posted automatically to different groups in a safe and reliable way that you can be sure won't get you banned. Let's take a look at the sort of message we can post to these groups. You can see in this message set called Internet Marketing, I posted several different messages, each with its own affiliate link and anchor text. We can also upload images to be posted with our message. Now, for example, an image like this would appear, and we can do that with the usual WordPress image upload interface. You can have as many different message sets as you want, so you can promote to many different niches. Now, I've got an internet marketing message set. I've also got a Forex one, or I could create a new one at any point, say iPads. Now, to make things even easier for you guys, and to stop Facebook thinking you are spamming, your messages will rotate within the message sets. So after each auto post, it will move on to the next message. And you can see that's why the green box is here, because that is the currently active message. After that one is posted, the next is empty. So it will go back to the top, and it will just iterate through these messages each time an auto post occurs. Now let's take a look at some examples of auto-posted messages. If we head over to the history, we can see all the different messages that have been auto-posted using this plugin. And we can see the time they were sent, we can see the Facebook group they were sent to, and we can see the status of that post. So if you ever have any problems with Facebook thinking you are spamming or thinking you're posting too often, it will show up here. This means you can tailor your posting schedule to exactly what information you are getting back from Facebook. Anyway, let's have a look at one of these recently posted messages. Scroll down a bit and we can see, from a few minutes ago, my auto-posted message promoting a product. If we now head over to the scheduler, we can now see messages that are scheduled to be auto-posted. Now, I've only got 4 messages queued up to be posted here, but you can easily add hundreds or even thousands of messages to this queue. You can see which message set each one is using, and we can change this at any time. We can see what time it is scheduled to post, and this is the really clever part. This is what makes this plugin so valuable. It's that you can instantly reschedule all your messages. So even if you had hundreds or even thousands of messages here, you can reschedule them all at the same time. Now, if I wanted to be a bit braver, I could reschedule this to send every 30 minutes, and you can see it's been instantly rescheduled with a 30-minute gap between each one. Now, this is really valuable because using the information we get in the history here, if we get some information back from Facebook in the status telling us that we think you're spamming or we think you're posting too much, we can just head over to the scheduler and select a larger posting interval. So, if you've been posting every 5 minutes and we start getting error messages saying you're posting too often, you can go here and say, okay, I'll just post every 2 hours instead. This means you can adapt to what information you are getting back from Facebook instantly, and you can always post at the fastest route Facebook will allow you to.